guys, my name is Emmanuel from shortcrashfirst.com, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing something really exciting. So I was minding my own business and I stumbled upon this. I hope you find this really interesting, rather. So give me a few minutes and I'll be back. Okay, so now we have this on my screen. So like I said, I was just doing minding my business and I just found this. So this is really like I'm working on something and I have all this stuff. Then I don't want to minimize each and every one of them one by one. So cool way and really fun. All I have to do is, let's say I want to work with just this guy. Yeah. All I have to do is click on him and shake. Cool, right? And when I do that, they're all back. I think I found it. So anyway, I hope you found it useful.